Have you ever wondered how AI can create brand new pictures, stories, or music that never existed before? It's pretty amazing, right? That's what we call generative AI, and it's changing how we use technology every day. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what generative AI is, how it works, and why it matters to you, even if you don't realize it's already a part of your life. So what exactly is generative AI? Imagine a computer program that can create new things after studying lots of examples. It's like a super smart student that first learns by looking at thousands of examples, like pictures, stories, or songs. Then it spots patterns in what it studied. Finally, it uses those patterns to create something brand new. Popular examples include ChatGPT, which writes text and has conversations with you, and DALL-E, which creates images from your descriptions. These tools don't just copy what they've seen. They actually make new content that's never existed before. How does this magic happen? Generative AI uses something called neural networks, computer systems inspired by how our human brains work. Here's a simple way to understand it. First, the AI gets trained on tons of examples. Let's say it's learning about cats. It would study thousands of cat pictures. Then it learns what makes a cat look like a cat: the pointy ears, whiskers, tail. Finally, when you ask it to create a cat picture, it makes something new that looks cat-like, but isn't a copy of any specific cat it saw before. It's like if you watched 100 cooking shows about making pizza and then created your own unique pizza recipe. You're probably already using generative AI without realizing it. Those fun Snapchat filters that transform your face, that's generative AI. Those amazing artworks created from text descriptions, generative AI again. When your music app suggests songs you've never heard but end up loving, AI helped with that too. Even those funny memes where someone's face appears in a movie scene. Yep, that's also generative AI at work. You might even use it for homework someday to help brainstorm ideas for a story or create images for a school project. The future of generative AI looks incredibly exciting. Imagine video games where every character has unique conversations, or virtual tutors that create lessons just for you. Apps that turn your simple sketch into a professional design, or tools that help you compose music even if you don't play an instrument. As technology grows, generative AI will create even more amazing possibilities. But remember, while AI can create cool things, it still needs humans to guide it and make important decisions. The best results happen when people and AI work together, combining human creativity with AI's processing power.